How to cancel auto policy with Allstate. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can cancel auto policy with Allstate. For this, you can open up any web browser and head over to the official web page of Allstate, which is allstate.com. Now, before you cancel your auto policy, check your Allstate auto policy for any cancellation terms and conditions. This can include potential fees, required notice period, and refund eligibility. Have your policy number and personal details ready. Now, there are many ways on how you can cancel your auto policy. The most direct way is to contact the customer service. You can chat with the customer service, or you can also call the customer service. The phone number is available on the Allstate website itself. Next thing you can do is visit a local agent. You can visit your local Allstate agent in person to request the cancellation. Some policies may require you to submit a written request for cancellation. In that case, you can send a letter to Allstate Customer Service Department. Now, you will have to give the representative your policy number, personal details, and the reason for cancellation. Specify the effective date of cancellation. If you are switching a new insurance provider, ensure the dates align to avoid a lapse in coverage. Request confirmation of your policy cancellation in writing. Now, you want to monitor your bank account or credit card for any refund of premiums. Ensure that you have received written confirmation of the cancellation from Allstate. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.